Now let us understand finding square root by division method. Now here let us take the example 4096. Now first we will take this number, then we have to place the bar over every pair of the digit. So starting from the unit digit, make the pairs of numbers. So these two numbers, first pair, and this is the second pair. So put the bar on these two numbers and then these two numbers. Okay, place a bar over every pair of digits starting from ones digit. That is, one pair is this one 96 and one pair is this one. Now here you have to find out the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the leftmost bar. Okay, so here this is the leftmost bar. So we have to find out the square number below this number, the nearest square number below 40, that is 36. So 6 6 are 36 we will take. Okay, the square number below 40. Okay, take this number as a divisor, and the number under the leftmost bar is the dividend. So 6 will become the divisor. Okay, 6 6 are 36. Now the remainder is 4 here. Okay, now you have to take this 96 down. Okay, bring down the number under the next bar, that is 96, to the right side of the remainder. The new dividend is 496. Now this we have to take as a dividend. Now here make 6 plus 6 equal to 12. The same number you will plus 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Now with this 12 you put such a number that by multiplying the same number here will give 496. So either 122 2s are, 123 3s are, 124 4s are, or 125 5s are. So whatever number you are taking, the same number you will multiply. So we are getting 124 4s are 496. So 124 4s are 496. Then you will get the remainder 0 and your answer is 64. So let us see here. Double the divisor, enter it with the blank on its right. So here we have doubled the divisor, that is 6 plus 6 12. So guess the largest possible digit which also becomes the new digit in the quotient, so that when the new digit is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than equal to the dividend. So we should take such a number that multiplying the same number will give you this one, that is dividend. Okay, in such a case see that 124 into 4 equal to 496 we are getting. Okay, so the new digit in the quotient is 4. Get the remainder. So we will get the remainder here 0 we are getting, and the answer is 64 quotient. Since the remainder is 0 and no bar left, therefore square root of 4096 equal to 64. Here if 0 is coming, then this division is complete. Okay, see some other example. Find the square root of 729. Now 729, now right from the unit digit make the pairs. This is first pair, so put the bar on it and put the bar on this single number also. Okay, so we will take this number first. So below 7 the square number is 4. The nearest square number below 7 is 4. So 2 2s are 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 29 we will take down. Okay, now with 4 this 2 plus 2 will become 4 here. With 4 you put such a number that the same number will be multiplied with here and we will get 329. Okay, so 47 7s are 329. 47 7s are 329. Here remainder is 0 and our answer is 27. So therefore square root of 729 equal to 27. Now next number here 1296. Now again starting from the unit digit make the parts. So this is first pair, put the bar on it, and this is the second pair of two numbers, put the bar on it. Okay, so let us see. Below 12 the nearest square number is 9. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 12 minus 9 is 3. Take this 96 down. Now here 3 plus 3 will be 6. So with 6 put such a number that its same multiplication of the same number will give 396. So 66 6 are 396. 66 6 are 396. So our answer is 36 and the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then the division is complete. Therefore, square root of 1296 equal to 36. Exercise 6.4, question number 1. We have to find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Now, here the number is given 2304. Now, we will pair the numbers right from the unit place. So, these two number 1 pair and these two number 1 pair. So, we will take first 23. So, 4 4s are 16. So, what is remaining? 7. Now, 4 plus 4 will be 8. Now, we have to multiply such a number with this 8, that 88 8s are 704. So, we will get 704 minus 704. The answer is 0. So, square root of 2304 equal to 48. Second one, by long division we have the number is given 4489. Again we will pair the numbers. Start from the unit digit 1 2. This is one pair and this is the second pair. So, take the division. 6 6 are 36. Okay. So, 6 plus 6 will be 12. Now, with this 12, we have to put such a number that the 127 will be 7s are 889. Here we are getting 8 as reminder. Okay. Then 89 we will get down. Take the number down 89. So, 889. So, subtract 127 7s are will be 889. So, subtract it, you will get 0. So, square root of 4489 equal to 67. Now, third one, by long division we have the number is given 3481. So, again pair the numbers. Unit digit, starting from unit digit, this is one pair, this is second pair. So, 5 5s are 25. Okay, we have to take the up to 34, which is the square number is coming, that we will take. So, 5 5s are 25. So, 5 plus 5 will be 10. Okay. So, with 10 you have to put such a number that the multiplication of this same number with this number will give the number 981. The remaining part is 9 here, 81 we will put down. So, 109 9s are 981. So, answer is 0, and here our quotient is 59. So, square root of 3481 equal to 59. Now, here by long division we have 529 number is given. Now, here we will again pair the numbers. Okay. So, this is the first pair starting from unit digit, first pair. This is alone number. Okay. So, we will take it first. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now, 2 plus 2 is 4. With 4 we will put such a number that the multiplying the same number with this will give this number. Okay. So, 5 minus 4 is 1. So, 29 will remain. 29 get down. So, 43 3s are 129. With 43 we have to multiply 3 only. So, 43 3s are 129. So, here 0 and answer is 23. So, square root of 529 equal to 23. Now, again further the number is given 3249. Again we will make the pair. Starting from unit digit, make the pair. This is first pair, this is the second pair. So, we will take this one pair first. Okay. So, we will divide with such a number that we should get the square number. So, 5 5s are 25 up to 32. The number is 5 5s are 25 square number. So, square 25. So, remaining is 7. Now, 5 plus 5 is 10. So, with 10 we will put such a number that the multiplication with the same number gives 749. So, 107 multiplied by 7 equal to 749. So, here will come 7. So, 749 minus 749, 0. So, answer is 57. So, square root of 3249 equal to 57. Now, by long division we have the number is given 1369. We will group the numbers. Okay, this is first group 69 and this is the second group. Now, the number is given 13. So, up to 13 we have to find out one square. So, 3 3s are 9. 9 is the square. 3 3s are 9. So, remaining is 4. Now, 3 plus 3 is 6. With 6 we will put such a number that its multiplication with the same number gives 469. So, 67 7s are 469. So, 67 7s are 469. Here will come 0. answer is 37. So square root of 1369 is 37. Number 7. So here 5776. We will pair the number again starting from unit digit. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. So we will take this pair first. So 7 sevens are 49. Okay. The nearest square to 57 is 49. Okay. So 7 sevens are 49. Remaining is 8. So take this 76 down. So 876. So with 7 plus 7 will be 14 now. With 14 you will put such number whose multiplication with the same number gives 876. So 146 6 are. 146 6 are gives 876. So 146 6 are 876. Here will come 0 and answer is 76. So square root of 5776 is equal to 76. Next number 7921. Again pair these numbers. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. So here nearest square is 64. See, the square should be coming before the number. Before 79, which is the nearest square, that is 64. So 8 8s are 64. Now we will plus 8 plus 8 will be 16. Okay. And with 16 you will put such number that the multiplication with the same number will come this one number. Here we will take 29 down and the difference is 15. So 1521 and 169 9s are 1521. So here will come 0 and our answer is 89. So square root of 7921 is 89. Now further the number is given 576. So we will again pair the numbers. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. We will take this pair first. Okay. So the nearest square is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Here 2 plus 2 will be 4. So with 4 we will multiply such number that the answer should be the same number should be multiplied to give this number answer. Okay. So 44 4s are 176. Here difference is 1 and this 76 we will take down. So 44 4s are 176. So this minus answer will give 0 and 44 4s are 176. So 24 is the answer. So square root of 576 equal to 24. Next number 1024. Now here again we will pair the numbers. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. So here we will take the nearest square up to 10. So 3 3s are 9. So difference is 1. This 24 we will take down and here 3 plus 3 will be 6. So with 6 we will put such a number that the multiplication with the same number gives 124. So 62 2s are, so that is 62 2s are 124. So answer is here 0 and this is our answer. So square root of 1024 equal to 32. So next one 3136. Here nearest square is 25. So 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25 is 6. This 36 we will put down. Now 5 plus 5, same number you will plus here. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 106 you put such a number that multiplication with the same number gives 636. So 106 6 are 636. So 106 6 means here we will put 6. So 636, here is 0 and our answer is 56. So square root of 3136 equal to 56. Now by long division we have square root of 900. Now we have to find 900. So nearest square is 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. This 2 0 we will put down. Now with 3 plus 3 will be 6. With 6 you put such a number that we should get this answer. So it is 0. So 60 zeros are 0. So here is 0. So here will also come 0. 60 zeros are, so zeros are 0. So here we will get 0. Answer is 30. So square root of 900 equal to 30. Okay. Square root of 900 is, square root of 900 is 30. Question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. Okay. So we will find out by putting the bars on the numbers. 64. So by placing bars we obtain here from starting from unit digit we will put 1 bar on 2 digits. So 64, that is 1 bar. There is only 1 bar. So the square root of 64 will have only 1 digit in it. Whatever numbers of bar we are getting, that many number of digits are there in the square root. Okay. Now second number 144, by placing bars we obtain. So starting from unit digit, take 2 digit, put 1 bar, and the remaining digit another bar. So there are 2 bars. Since there are 2 bars, the square root of 144 will have 2 digits in it. Okay. Now third question, 4489. So starting from unit digit, for 2 numbers put 1 bar, next 2 numbers put another bar. Now there are how many bars? 2 bars. So there are 2 bars. The square root of 4489 will have 2 digits in it. Okay. Now 27,225. Starting from unit digit, you will start putting the bars for 2 numbers. These 2 numbers 1 bar, then these 2 numbers 2 bar, and this 1 number third bar. So since there are 3 bars, the square root of 27,225 will have 3 digits in it. Okay. Now here 3,90,625. Starting from unit digit, for 2 numbers we will go on putting the bars. So this 25 1 bar, 06 another bar, and 39 third bar. Okay. So we can count here, there are 3 bars, 1, 2 and 3. So since there are 3 bars, the square root of 3,90,625 will have 3 digits in it. 3. Find the square root of the given decimal numbers. Now the first number is given 2.56. So we will first put the bars on the numbers, that is pair the numbers. This is from starting from unit digit. Put bar on these 2 numbers. First bar, this will be the second bar. So nearest square number is 1. So 1 ones are 1. Now here 2 minus 1 is 1. This 56 we will take down. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So with 2 we will take such a number and multiply the same such that we will get 156. Okay, with 2 you have to take such a number and multiply the same number, that you should get 156. So 26 6 are 156. So 26 6 are 156. Here will come 6, here will come 0, and so square root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Now second number 7.29. Again pair the numbers. This is first pair, so put the bar and put the next bar on this one. So nearest square is 4. So 2 2s are 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. This 29 you bring down, so 329. 2 plus 2 will be 4. With 4 you put such a number and multiply the same such that you should get 329. So 47 7s are 329. So here will come 0 and answer is 2.7. So square root of 7.29 equal to 2.7. Third one 51.84. Now let us pair the numbers from unit digit. Starting from unit digit, take 2 numbers. First pair, so put 1 bar. So this is the second pair, so put 1 bar here. Now 7 7s are 49. Nearest square is 49. Okay, we should take the nearest square of this number. Okay, so 7 7s are 49. Then 51 minus 49 is 2. Take this 84 down. Now here 7 plus 7 will be 14. With 14 you take such a number that multiplying by the same number will give 284. So 142 2s are 284. So we have taken 2s are, so it will come 2 here and 0 will come here. Okay, so our answer is 7.2. Thus square root of 51.84 equal to 7.2. Now fourth one 42.25. Again we will pair the numbers. Starting from unit digit, make the pair of last 2 numbers, then these 2 numbers. So put 1 bar here and the second bar will be here. Now we will take the nearest square number. So before 42 the nearest square number is 36. So 6 6 are 36. Okay, so difference is 6. Take minus, it will be 6. Take this 25 down, so 625. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. With 12 you put such a number that the multiplication of this will say with the same number will give 625. So 125 5s are 625. So we have taken 5s are, so it will come 5 here. So 6.5 is our answer and here will come 0. So square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Next number is 31.36. Now before 31 the nearest square number is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now subtract it, we will get 6. Now this 36 you take down. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. With 10 you put such a number that multiplying the same number with this number will give 636. So 106 6 are 636. So we have taken 6 are, so 6 will come here. So our answer is 5.6 and here will come 0. So square root of 31.36 is equal to 5.6. Question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So first number is 402. So let us see. On proceeding to find the square root of 402, we have, see here, we will find the square root of 402 first. Now make the pairs. This unit digit, these two numbers one pair and this will be the second. So you have to put bar on these two numbers and this number also. Now see the square number 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 4 minus 4 is 0 and this 0 2 will come down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. With 4 put such a number such that its multiplication with this number becomes equal to this number, but it is not possible. So we will take 40 zeros are 0. So 0 0 0. So here also 40 zeros are, so you will put 0. So 20. Okay. Now here the remainder is 2. On proceeding to find the square root of 402, we get the remainder 2. What we get? Remainder is 2. So required least number to be subtracted from 402 is 2. So which number should be subtracted? The remainder number, that is 2. So when we will subtract 402 minus 2, we will get equal to 400. So 402 minus 2 equal to 400 and square root of 400 equal to 20. Okay. Now second number is 1989. Okay. So let us see 1989. Here again make the pairs. Starting from unit digit, this is first pair, this is second pair. So we will take these two number first. So the square number below 19 is 16. So 4 4s are 16. 4 plus 4 will be 8. So with 8 you multiply such number such that we get this number near to this number. Okay. This 89 will come down. So 389. So 84 4s are 336. 84 4s are 336. So here again the remainder is 53. Now we get a remainder of 53. The least number should be subtracted from the given number is 53. So 1989 minus 53 equal to 1936 and the square root of 1936 is equal to 44. This is equal to 44. Okay. So the next number is 825. Now let us see. The next number is 3250. Okay. So 3250. Let us do the division. Here take this, starting from unit digit, take these two numbers and these two numbers then. Okay. So this is the first pair, put the bar on this and here also put the bar. So these two we will take first. Now the square number, nearest square number below 32 is 25. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now with 10 put such a number that we should get near to this number. This 50 will come down and 32 minus 25 is 7. So 107 7s are 749. So 107 7s are 749. Here we are getting the remainder 1. Now we get the remainder 1. The smallest number should to be subtracted from the given number equal to 1. So we will subtract it. 3250 minus 1 equal to 3249. So square root of 3249 equal to 57. Now let us see next number 825. Now here starting from unit digit, divide the number into pairs. So this is first pair 25 and this is the second one. So below 8 the square number is 4. So 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Take this 25 down. Here 2 plus 2 is 4. With 4 you put such a number that its multiplication will give the nearest to this number 425. Okay. So 48 8s are 384. So 48 8s are 384. The remainder is 41. Okay, and here we get the answer 28. Now let us see, the remainder is 41. We get the remainder 41. The required smallest number to be subtracted from the given number is 41. So we have to subtract the number which is coming in the remainder. Now 825 minus 41 equal to 784, and square root of 784 is 28. Now next number 4000. Okay, so in 4000, divide the number into pairs starting from unit digit. This is first pair and this is the second one. Now below 40 the square number is 36. Nearest square number is 36. So 6 6 are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. This 2 0 will come down. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. With 12 you put such a number that its multiplication with the same number gives nearest number below 400, that is 3. We are getting 123 3s are 369. So 3s are 369. So remainder is 31. So we get the remainder 31. The required smallest number to be subtracted from the given number is 31. So 4000 minus 31 is 3969, and square root of 3969 equal to 63. Okay, we are getting this 63 as answer. Now question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square obtained. Okay, first one is 525. Now let us see 525. Here, starting from unit digit, divide the number into two parts. This is first part 25 and this is the second part. Okay, so below 5 the square number is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Then subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. Take this 25 down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. With 4 put such a number that you should get the number coming below 125. So 42 2s are 84. 42 2s are 84. Remainder is 41. And here we are getting 22. So we get a remainder 41. Now 525 is greater than 22 square. So here we get 22 answer. So 525 is greater than 22 square. Now next square number is 23. Okay, so required number to be added is 23 square minus 525. So 529 minus 525. We will subtract the next square number from the next square number. Okay, we will subtract 525 from the next square number 23 square. So 529 minus 525 equal to 4. So 524 plus 4 equal to 529, and square root of 529 equal to 23. Sorry, here it should be 525 plus 4 equal to 529, and square root of 529 equal to 23. Okay, here it is the printing mistake. Now let us see the next question, 1750. Now starting from unit digit, divide the numbers into parts. 50, that is first part, and this is the second part. So first we will take this part. Below 17 the square number is 16. So 4 4s are 16. Now subtract it, minus is 1, and this 50 will come down. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. So with 8 put such a number that we should get the number below 150. So 81 1s are 81. Okay, so 81 1s are 81. So here will come 41, and subtract it, 150 minus 81 will give 69. Now the remainder is 69. Now 1750 is greater than 41 square. This 41 square. Now next square number is 42 square. After 41 square what comes? 42 square. So required number to be added is 42 square minus 1750 is equal to 1764 minus 1750, that is 14. Okay, so this number should be added now. So 1750 plus 14 equal to 1764, and square root of 1764 equal to 42. Okay, now so let us see, since we get the here remainder is coming 27. So let us see 252. Divide this number into parts. So this is first part, this is second one. So we will take this number first, 2. So 1 1s are 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. and 52 we will take down. So 1 plus 1 is 2. With 2 put such a number that its multiplication will give the number below 152. So 25 5s are 125. Subtract it, we will get the remainder 27. So we get the remainder 27. So 252 is greater than 15 square. Next square number is 16. Okay, we are getting here 15, but 252 is greater than 15 square. The next square number is 16. So required number to be added will be 16 square minus 252. So we will subtract these two. 16 square is 256 minus 252 equal to 4. So 252 plus 4 equal to 256. So square root of 256 is equal to 16. Next number is 1825. So let us see here. Starting from unit digit, divide the number into pairs. So this is first pair 25 and this is the second pair 18. Okay, so we will take this pair first. So below 18 the square number is 16. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, remaining 2. So take this 25 down. So 225. Here 4 plus 4 is 8. So with 8 put such a number that you should get the number below 225. So 82 2s are 164. 82 2s are 164. So what we will get? Remainder is 61. Now here the remainder, we get a remainder 61. So 1825 is greater than 42 square. So here we are getting 42. So this number is greater than 42 square. Now next square number will be 43. So the required number to be added will be 43 square minus 1825. So find 43 square, that is 1849 minus 1825, that is 24. Now 1825 plus 24 will be 1849 and square root of 1849 equal to 43. Next number 6412. Now divide this number into pairs. This is first pair, this is second pair. So we will take this pair first. So 64 is a square number, 8 8s are 64. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay. Now here remaining 0, this 12 will come down. So with 16 you put such a number that here should come below this number. Okay, that is 0. 160 zeros are 0. So zeros are means 80. Here it will come 80. So remainder is 12. Now we get the remainder 12. So 6412 is greater than 80 square. Next square number will be 81 square. So 81. So 81 square minus 6412. So we will get the number to be added. So 6561 minus 6412 equal to 149. So 6412 plus 149 equal to 6561 and square root of 6561 equal to 81. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. So let us see. Let the length of the side of a square is x meter. Now, so area of square will be side square, that is x square equal to 441 meters square. So x is equal to square root of 441. Now 441, first we will divide this number and put the bars. So starting from unit digit, here two numbers put one bar and one number put the other bar. Now the nearest square number is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now here 4 minus 4 will be 0. 41 we will take down. So here 2 plus 2 4. So with 4 put such a number that the multiplication of the same number gives the answer 41. So 41 ones are 41. So 41 ones are 41. So our answer is 21 and here will come 0. So x is equal to 21 centimeter. Hence the length of the side of the square is 21 meter. Not centimeter, it is meter. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Now if AB equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, find AC. Now here triangle ABC is right angled at B. It is given angle B equal to 90 degree. So it is right angled at B. Therefore we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. What we will get? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. According to Pythagoras theorem, we can write the formula. So AC square is equal to AB square is 6 square plus BC square is 8 square. So 6 square plus 8 square, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So AC square equal to 36 plus 64, that is 100 centimeter square. So AC is equal to square root of 100 centimeter equal to square root of 10 into 10 centimeter. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Now second one, triangle ABC is right angled at B. Okay. Now by applying the Pythagoras theorem again, what we can say? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is AC here? AC is 13, BC is 5. So AC is 13 centimeter square equal to AB square plus 5 square. Now this 5 will come here, it will become minus. So 13 square minus 5 square equal to AB square. So AB square equal to 13 square minus 5 square is equal to 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25. So 169 minus 25 equal to 144 centimeter square. Now AB equal to root 144 equal to square root of 12 into 12. 144 means 12 into 12. So AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 8. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain the same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Now let us see. Here it is given that the gardener has 1000 plants. Okay. So the number of rows and number of columns is the same. We have to find a number of more plants that should be there so that when the gardener plants them, the number of rows and columns are the same. So thus that is a number which should be added to 1000. To make it a perfect square has to be obtained. So first we will have to find out the square root of 1000. So square root of 1000 can be calculated by using division method. So let us see. 1000, we will make the pairs first. Starting from unit digit, make the pair of two numbers. So this is first pair, put one bar. This is the second pair, put the other bar. Now the nearest square to 10, below 10 is 9. So 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. And this 2 0 will come down. So now 3 plus 3 is 6. Now put the number near 6 in such a way that the multiplication of the same number should be same here. But it is not possible. So we will do 61 ones are 61. So the remaining is 39. Now the remainder is 39. Here we are getting the remainder 39. It represents that the square of 31 is less than 1000. Okay. So the next number to 32 is 32 square equal to 1024. So after 1000, which is the next square number, is 1024. So the number to be added to 1000 to make it a perfect square should be 32 square minus 1000, that is 1024 minus 1000, that is 24. Thus the required number of plants is 24. Now question number 9. There are 100 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Okay. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Okay. Now how many children are there? There are 500 children. It is given that there are 500 children in the school. They have to stand for a PT drill. Okay. In such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Now the number of children who will be left out in this arrangement has to be calculated. Okay. That is the number which will be subtracted from 500 to make it a perfect square is to be calculated. Okay. So first we will find out the square root of 500. So 500. Now make the pairs starting from unit digit. This is first pair, this is second pair. So put the bar on first pair and put the bar on this number. Now the nearest digit below 5, which is square, is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Now here 5 minus 4 is 1. So put this 0 down. So here now 2 plus 2 is 4. Now put some number near this so such that the multiplication of the same number will give this number. But it is not possible. So we will take the number below 100. So 42 2s are 84. Okay. Now 42 2s are 84. So we will get here 22 and the remainder is 16. Now here the remainder is 16. This shows that the square of 22 is less than 500 by 16. Therefore, if we subtract 16 from 500, we will obtain the perfect square. So required perfect square is 500 minus 16, that is 484. So the number of children will be left out is 16. So the remainder will be the number of left out students. Complete the exercise 6.4 in your classwork. Thank you.